Hello everyone, do you know that CIAS created an app just for you security professionals? We wanted to make sure you have everything at your fingertips, and it's definitely going to make your work much easier. This is why we are introducing the app brochures, technical manuals, specifications and a troubleshooting tool for problems resolution on field and tickets opening. But now, let's see how the app works. So we sign in. At the end of the process, we receive a confirmation email containing a link to activate your account. Be aware that it could end up in a spam box. One of the available highlights is the always updated price list. We can also find the available brochures, as well as manuals and specifications. But here we come with more advantages. Behind all these features, we have thought how to help you to speed up your troubleshooting. If we want to talk, for example, about microwave barriers, we can choose the available models and the type of problem. And we find question and answer to try to solve the problem by ourselves. If it's not enough, we'll be able to open a ticket straight away from this page. We open the ticket and we can take pictures of the site and possible obstacles that might cause the problem. The more pictures you take, the easier it will be for our technicians to help you. Then the app will send you directly to the service. With the entry bonus, we'll be able to use some free credits for the first assistance request. From the menu My Tickets, we can easily keep the request and the progress status under control. But just to tell you more about the app, it's an ongoing project that will have some new features like the chance to manage repair request forms, the entire management of your system, and much more. If you haven't done it yet, just download the app and stay tuned.